Hey there, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly reset your AirPods. Hey there, my name's Sergio with Surge Tech, and in this channel I do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now. Hit the bell to receive notifications on my future videos. There's going to be links to all the information that I talk about in this video down below in the description. All right, let's get right to the video now. So you may need to reset it for multiple different reasons. It may be because one of them is not working and one of them is, or one of them is connecting and the other one isn't, or maybe they're like freezing up and not working properly, or many other reasons that you may want to reset your AirPod Pros so that you can set them up with your iPhone. So it's super simple. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So all you're gonna have to do is, once you open up your AirPods, they should pop up like this on your iPhone. Okay, it's gonna read your AirPods here that they are connected. If it doesn't, that's fine too. This method should still work either way. So as you can see right now, they are connected. When you open it up, it changes here to connected, as you can see. So all we're gonna have to do to reset them is we're just gonna press and hold the connect button on the back of the AirPod Pros back here, and we're gonna do it with the top open. So you're gonna have to keep this open, and with it open, we're gonna go ahead and press and hold this button for a few seconds until this light turns red. So it's gonna turn white at first. We're gonna continue to hold it. And then there you go. Once it turns red, you can go ahead and let go and the AirPods will be reset. You will notice now that when I close it and then I open it back up, it will show the AirPods as disconnected and it will now give me the option to connect. Now obviously make sure your Bluetooth is on your iPhone, and then once you see this, just go ahead and hit connect on your iPhone and wait a few seconds and your AirPods will be reset and reconnected so that they can start working normally again. All right everyone, so that was just a quick video showing you how to reset, also known as a hard reset, your Apple AirPods Pro. So hope this video helped you out. Go ahead and give it a like, it really helps me out. And that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one, and as always, peace.